Okay, so I need to tell you something. Orin Fitzgerald, who you might know from Twitter, is actually me. This right here is literally a fake account I created to prove that you can actually go start from scratch and in 60 days have over $10,000 in your pocket. This was an experiment that I wanted to do to, prove to myself that yes, I can do it, but also to show you guys that anyone can do this. Like you can start where you are at nothing and build something up in just 60 days from scratch. And again, this account here had 0 followers when I started. You can go back, and this is a real account. You can look it up. You can scroll back and see all of the posts that I made, and you can really see how it unfolded. And it doesn't use my real name. It doesn't use my face. It doesn't use any of my previous works, nor my reputation. I had to start from complete scratch. And I could only use my skills, a laptop, and the tools you also have access to. And today I'm showing you the results I got with all the proof. So my name is Nandi, or Orin. This is Frame University, and let's get started. Okay, so before we get started though, I just want to mention that if you haven't already, make sure to click the first link in the description and reserve your seat for the launch event of my 10K Undercover experiment, because I'll be telling the full story of the 60 days there. Yeah, because actually the whole thing is documented, every single second of it. Working on a Framer template, working on client websites, creating social media posts that actually go viral, all the client calls, everything is recorded. And yes, I know it is a lot of footage. So the reveal is going to be on March 25th, and trust me, you do not want to miss it. Okay, so the reason why I started all this, because people always say, Nandi, it's easy for you because, you have all the followers. It's easy to make money like that. And honestly, they're right. It's much easier if you have all the followers, but you can still start from scratch. So it's like, you know what? I'll remove my advantage completely and show you that you can literally have a skill, start a social media account from 0, and 60 days from that point have over $10,000 in your pocket. Now, let me show you the proof that this is what actually happened. If we take a look at my screen, we can see that here is the Polar Analytics. So Polar is the tool that I used to sell the Framer template that I eventually created. And what you can see right here is I basically look at the time period of the 60 days challenge right now. So May 6th to July 4th. So you can see that for this period here, I made $0. So I think it was day 41 when I made my first sale, as you can see right here. So it's quite crazy, right? Like I had to work so much and basically make $0 and only then achieve some sort of success. Now, I can also show you the actual template on the marketplace. You can also look it up yourself. It's called Jet. It's a SaaS website template. And, it's $149. You can also take a look at the preview. It is pretty lovely. And again, the full creation process of the template is recorded and documented. So, it is pretty sick. Now, another revenue source is, client projects, because I was doing templates, but also client projects. Now, if you take a look at my Contra wallet, we can see that I have made $2,000 on Contra side. So you can see that here I got a deposit of $2,000 into my account, Framer website development start. Now, this was a crazy story because I actually didn't get the full amount. Like this was a $4,000 project. I only got the 50% upfront payment. You might be asking why. Well, there was a bit of a miscommunication with the client, but I'll tell you the full story on March 25th, so make sure to be there. But not all clients paid me through Contra. So we're gonna see some of these payments on Wise. Let me show you. So as you can see, here we are inside of Wise, and you can see that I got $1,000 here on this payment. This was a 2K project, and this is the 50% upfront payment. We can see here that this, you can see that this was on July 7th. This was on June 27th. So yeah, these are not the same payment. 2K project, it wasn't the best. I could have charged more, but I was a little bit too desperate by the end of the challenge to make 10K and to reach the goal. So I took this lower paying client too. But thankfully I had another client who paid much more. As you can see, this is the upfront payment of $2,000, June 27th. And then on July 10th, I got the second payment of a little bit more than $2,000. Eventually, or not eventually, sorry. Initially, this was a $4,000 project, but then we added that $250 on top because we did some extra work with it, or I added a blog as well. But whatever. So yeah, as you can see, this is the Wise side of things. If you're wondering how the hell is it like July 10th and I said that the challenge ended on July 4th, some of these, invoices were paid a little bit later, but I actually ended working on July 4th and I, finished all the projects by that time. Lovely. So what else do we have? Let me see. Yeah, we also have affiliates. Okay, so if we go to Dub, we can see the affiliate earnings again for the 60-day period. As you can see, this is not too strong. So yeah, you can see it is $191 for the 60 days. Not the best, but affiliate revenue needs some time to build up, but eventually it is crazy passive revenue for you. I just created the template once, and everyone who remixed the template, so bought the template and remixed the template and then purchased the site plan, I got 50% commission for the subscriptions. And I made the template once, I just let it to do its job on the marketplace. I don't even market it. And if we take a quick peek at the lifetime analytics here, or all time, you can see that $8,000, over $8,000. So these can really build up, and you literally have nothing to do with it. You just, I don't know, let it grow and collect all the money. So I guess that's pretty cool. So yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but there's something really important on these charts, because as you can see here in Polar, we talked about that I didn't make any money for 41 days. This sale here was on day 41, and it wasn't even from the marketplace. I actually made this sale through Twitter DMs. Okay, my template wasn't even on the marketplace. So the thing is that for 41 days, this whole experiment looked like a complete failure, right? Like posts were flopping, leads were ghosting me. I had slow progress on the template. I initially wanted to release, or my plan was to release templates every other week and stuff like that. Well, it turns out you have to work a little bit more on stuff like that. So yeah, it was pretty heavy. And I was also messing up client calls and stuff like that. So this is the time when you start kind of feeling like, because I think probably, you also felt something like this or experienced like this before, that, maybe it's really just luck, or I'm not good enough for this, or I don't have enough followers, and, all those excuses. But I didn't give up, and I just kept going. And at day 41, I sold my first template for $149, and it felt absolutely amazing. But you have to realize that I didn't know that it's gonna happen at day 41. I didn't, but I still kept going, and I still kept pushing. And you have to do the same, because I knew that success doesn't show up on day 2, and I just have to keep going. And the problem is that most people just quit early and don't reach the point where they actually start seeing success. Now, I'm pretty sure that you have seen this before. It's kind of a cliche, but I still think that many people don't really, internalize it enough. So, like this little guy on the bottom, it's literally going back. It almost reached the point where you get the first sale. Like this is the point in this chart. You look at the polar chart. This is the point on the chart. I could have gave up before day 41, but then I would have lost on all this success. I didn't give up and I kept going. This little guy on the top will eventually reach this point because this guy just keeps going. And I think the key here is that you see all these success stories online. You see my example as well. And you definitely know that there is diamond. So you definitely know that you're going in a direction and eventually you will reach the diamond. So I just don't get why would anyone turn back? Like it just doesn't make sense. Okay, so now let me show you the distribution of all the money generated after the 60 days or within the 60 days period. I created a little thingy right here. So you can see that during the 60 days, I made $3,200 with templates, $200 with the affiliate revenue, and then $8,250 with client websites. So we can see from this chart that if we're looking at a 60-day period, it seems like that client sites make most sense, right? Like you can make more money with client sites. Why would I spend time creating a template that also has the affiliate, component in it? Well, client sites are indeed great if you want to make money quick, because actually this $8,250, all of this was made in the last 2 weeks of the challenge. I completed 3 client sites in the last 2 weeks. It was absolutely insane, especially that in the same time I was running Freema University and posting all the stuff that I usually do. But I think what's interesting is if we take a look at how this revenue actually changed after the 60 days ended. Because, I stopped working on Orin Fitzgerald, but, the template is still on the marketplace. People are still buying it and, I still get the affiliate revenue. So let's take a look at that chart. This is the revenue distribution right now. Client websites, still 8,250. And look at this, template ended up generating over $20,000 at this point, and the affiliate is over 6,000. So to me, this looks pretty good because, templates are digital products and it can continue generating revenue for you without you having to do any extra work, right? You just build it once and then you sell it forever. But, I still wanted to highlight the client side, the client side or, client project side of things. And I also wanted to show how to create templates, because I think those are the two main money vehicles that you can have when it comes to Framer money. So yeah, I really wanted to show how both works. So yeah, since I documented everything, I was able to capture a bunch of valuable insights, like how to create a template that ends up being a bestseller and makes tens of thousands of dollars, or how to build a personal brand without actually showing your face and create content that will keep generating consistent flow of clients for you. And I think this is a crazy part though, that this personal brand actually, didn't use my face. It's just a little, I don't know, profile picture, a little avatar that I actually generated with AI. And, I could still make it. I didn't have to, I could close the clients without turning my camera on calls. I could use a voice changer. People didn't notice. So really, you can have no excuses. But yeah, so a bunch of things documented. Also, small stuff like the technique of reworking posts that did horribly on Twitter, because many times I was like, oh, this is gonna do super well. I worked so much with it, and then I post it, and here's an example, a little hero scroll animation that I made, which is absolutely insane. This you scroll down and this explodes and everything. I post it and I get 2,000 views and 70 likes, and I'm like, what the hell? But then I show you the process of how I think about, posts like this and how I transform them and rework them, repackage them in order to make them go viral. And here's the example. This is the post, the initial post, May 20th. And then if you go to the repackaged post, which was posted on July 4th, you can see 1,000 likes and over 100,000 views or impressions, which is absolutely insane in my opinion. And again, everything is recorded. Like, you see the whole thought process behind, stuff like that. But also things like how to create client websites from scratch, that is also documented. How to handle client calls and actually close those clients for thousands of dollars. How to communicate with clients. Creating portfolio items that make you stand out, because I started with no work. Like at day 0, I had no work to show. And that's when I realized that, bro, like, most people actually have work to show on day 0, I guess. Maybe not if they, I don't know, they just start designing right now, but whatever. I made myself do all the portfolio works from scratch, like the portfolio website itself from scratch. So you also see how to do that, how to, create these portfolio items that really make you stand out and that help you really show proof to your clients so that they are ready to pay you thousands of dollars. But this is not everything. Like all the things I explained or told you right now, this is not everything. So much value has been recorded throughout these 60 days. And that's why it's really important to go down to the description and reserve your seat for next week's launch event. It's going to be huge. And if you're serious about making money with Framer in 2026, you have to be there. This is the website. You will see this. You have to go here and then just click reserve your seat, type in your name, type in your email, and you are on the list. You'll attend it for free and you're going to get a bunch of value. Now, that's it for this video. Make sure to like it and then go down to the description. Oh God, I always say description. Why? Go down to the comment section and write, I'll make 10K in 2026. That's how I know that you watched the full thing and you're actually committed to this. Also, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.